You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Switzerland. If you want to learn more names that are confusing, they're from Switzerland. Also French and German vocabulary. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Basel is how it's pronounced in English, the German pronunciation Basel, and I believe the English pronunciation comes from the German pronunciation. In French, similar, Basel. So, Basel in English, how to pronounce Basel. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.